Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Uh, this is again Mehjabin Yadiki. I'm here to discuss some shorting techniques with you all guys. Just let me give you a disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered person. The intention of my sessions is purely to spread awareness on stock market, candle strategies, and should be considered only for educational purposes. Any stock discussed should not be considered as recommendation for buy or sell. Explanations are only for concept illustration purposes. All the trades taken by individuals are at their risk. I will not be responsible for any of your losses or profits. Yeah, then let's go ahead with our topic for today. Okay. Yeah. Whenever we are, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So whenever we are deciding on shorting a stock, better we decide the stock on the previous day, or we have the list ready by the time we enter the market. So if you see this, any of these, this I'm taking for example first with the Chennai Petro. Okay. Even before this, I would like to discuss the steps involved so that we will not be uh, deviated. Steps involved are, first we have to check the scope. Okay. What is that? Stock should be in a downward trend, preferably. Preferably fourth stage. Means fourth stage stock I have selected, which is Chennai Petro. Can you see my screen? This Chennai Petro here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you see this on daily chart, and if you see this, uh, it is in the downward trend, though it is not in fourth stage. It is in the downward trend. How? See, in the daily chart, it is already in sell, and is still all the red candles from that time, and no green candle has proper green candle has formed. Even this is there, that is like a fake this one. And also you can see that almost guppy crossover is happening and the stock is moving downwards. Like this, we can identify the stock much in advance. So whenever this thing happens, right? Like you see, whenever the stock has moved up for certain time and this red candle start forming and some sort of bigger candle forms, this is the time where we should keep the stock, consider the stock for shorting. Okay. This thing, see, it has if you see that point, you can easily make out, and it's a solid red candle. Means all these were small, and these were so, and even this candle, it was not that good, but it is okay. It's bigger than the one next one also, it confirmed. So this is the stage where we should start keeping it in watch list and start looking for downtrends. And this one, it was in sideways from so long. Why I considered this is like it was in sideways. Even with this, after this big candle, it will definitely not go up. If with this big candle, it will not definitely go up till here. Obviously it will come still more down. So the moment this crosses this sideways, which is like crossed 2 3 days ago, so today was the was a good day for uh, shorting. Is this clear? Scope part, why I have selected Chennai Petro for shorting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now this is met. Just to we ensure that we have checked some patterns, I will just keep it. Then identify the strategy matching. See, again, when we do a shorting, we will do, sorry, I will do based on 15 minutes chart. So today, if you go to 15 minutes chart, clear, can you see that? This box, I will remove this collapse, right? Collapse. This one also I will collapse. I will try to, maximize this so that it will be fully. Now, yeah. So if you can see this, this is 23rd, right? 23rd, today's 9:15 candle. And it has completely, that wick, it has crossed down that box. That box also you can see, right? It has come and it was clearly a box seen that. And see this candle, first thing is, if you are confident enough, once you become experienced in shorting, you can consider with this wick. But still I prefer for a solid confirmation, because we don't know, right, like how these days market is behaving. So you can still wait for this candle to form. Once this wick and next to that one solid candle is formed, see this, we can say that it is like, we can consider this for downtrend. Is that clear? So once you enter after this, here, or for the confidence purpose at this point, okay, somewhere at 889. Can you note down that? Like 889 is something where our entry is at. 889, or consider for that reason 886 or 885, something like that. Because maybe we will be, sometimes it will go here and there, 1 or 2 rupees. You should not think for this kind of chart. Okay. See, it's nature of the stock is also important. When Chennai Petro falls, it will fall in rupees. And there will be a few stocks which will fall in like paisa, and few stocks will fall in 20 rupees, 30 rupees, something like that. So for Chennai Petro stock, 1 or 2 rupees or 3 rupees, it's not a big difference. Okay. So when we enter here, see, from that time, you should, if you want to work on that, like candle by candle, if you want to decide, this is proper red, so no worries. This is proper red, so no worries. Here, there is some green candle formed, but it is of almost of a negligible size. If you see this, here you see red candles are bigger than green candle, correct? And also, I call this a bullet, downward bullet. So, as per our pattern, one big wick, after that some downfall. See, this bullet confirms that there is still a long way to go, or there is still some downfall you can expect. Okay. So also, since this is like, I will remove this. Since this is like one bullet and a downfall, we need not, one small first hint, that first green in the entire chase, it was first green. Okay. That one you can consider. For if you want something like a very happy path, like this one you can consider, or it is okay to go ahead here. Okay. If this is green is little bit big, then I will ask you to exit there. Generally that will not be the case because of this big wick. Okay, then we can continue. Here is the bullet form. No need to worry. Here is, this is the indication that one big bullet, one big candle will form. See this one and this one. This one is the indication that next candle will be a big candle. Anywhere you try to check this pattern, you will find many places. One small green candle, red candle, and after that one big red candle. Okay. After this red candle, some hindrances will be there which will form green candles, but that will not be that great. Like today we were discussing this stock in one of the groups, where I was like in the live market, I was telling that this will be okay, and in still it will fall. Okay. See, if you see this, these are all very light candles. That means there is still a big fall awaiting. See this? Then see, if I am in your, if I am the person doing it, I will exit here because this is already 45 minutes waste. Every candle is 15 minutes. It will go down, but it is like long period waiting. I won't prefer this sort of candles. So I will exit here. This will be my exit. And I call it a happy path. Because after green candle, I will just wait for one good candle to form. But in case if you have time and if you still want to go ahead, still you have to try till it forms one proper green candle where it is bigger than the previous red candle. Okay, like till here you can try. See, this is green candle, but it is smaller than this red candle. This is red candle, no worries. Red candle and big red candle, no worries. See here, this is the place where it will give a hint that it may doji. This may give a hint that it will move. So you can exit here like one proper green candle. It is not even proper green candle because see, it is not bigger than this. But see, this is all not happy path. See how much time it will be like, here only, especially people who are doing shorting, right? They will get into this sort of greed and sometimes they will make losses. So don't do this. This is my experience, this I am telling. I don't prefer this path. And even you see, the time is ending, especially when you see this here, it is already 2:30 and it is like 2:45, 3 o'clock. What will happen after 2:45? Candles will become little bit difficult in their behavior to predict or to assume or analyze. Sometimes they may suddenly form a week and from here red, green like this, it may touch here and it will end up here. So this path we can't give guarantee. There will be safe path only till here, means happy path without any hindrances till here, and this is something called happy path. You exit here. Don't be very greedy. Even that is like a very good ride. See, from that place to here, how much? 16 rupees ride. Got it? Even happy path is 16 minutes, 16 rupees, right? And little bit tough path is a little bit tough path. I can consider it till here, like this one, this candle. Okay, this candle I am considering. Because one good candle and you should be out. See, it's enough. You should not be very greedy as well. Okay, this is 26 rupees and this is 16 rupees. But I prefer only this one, or worst case, this one. Like 1 minute. I, 1 minute. Yeah. 19 rupees. Okay. If I don't have time, I will end it here only. Like it depends, right? We have waiting time or not. But once what we need to remember is like once stock starts falling below this, it will form nearly a good amount. Okay. So where we need not be worried, especially when it matches this, when you have already checked the scope. Okay. Even in daily chart, if you see, it has fallen nicely. Because once it starts falling, it will fall nicely. That is the logic that applies to candles across the time frames. Either it is daily, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or anything. Once it starts falling, it will start falling a considerable amount. Is that clear? So this is the thing which I will say. Are you clearly understanding this till here, guys?
Ma'am, just the last part where you said about falling down, ma'am, and daily candle.
Yeah. See, what I'm saying is any stock, once it starts falling, meeting our criteria, like, see, red candle bigger than green candle and it forming a bullet. Once this trend is confirmed, right, it will fall a significant amount on even whether it is on daily chart or 15 minutes chart or 5 minutes chart, whatever chart it may be, significantly it will fall. Means that amount is considerable. We should if already you are entered, you should not wait beyond this. That is what I am telling. Beyond this point or something. Okay. Otherwise, you have to see all this downfall. So that fact we have to use it for shorting. Clear?
So for
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow also, ma'am, there is this bullet forming, no?
Who is that? Yeah, Sunil. Well, one thing we will discuss. Let me finish this topic. We will discuss that. Okay. But this bullet we should not consider because it is already formed a significant amount. Okay. I will tell you that part. Significant
Okay,
amount.
okay.
And also today's candle is very big. So tomorrow there may be a pullback, little bit at least this sort of candle or this. There is no guarantee that candle. Today, why?
Okay,
Because it crossed this box and
okay.
it is solid.
Actually, this
This
part
green
only I'm
candle has
facing
confirmed that
issue.
move. If you see this green candle,
Mhm.
it didn't touch it touched the box, but which is smaller than this red. And that's why I considered this for today's shorting.
Actually, this part only I'm facing issue, ma'am, where which one is actual bullet, where to, consider it,
Ah,
where to not.
correct. See, bullet when it comes in the beginning,
Yeah.
okay, it's very good. Any time frame, okay. Bullet when it comes second and it is too stretched, next few days or some 15-20 minutes, if it is a 15 minutes candle, don't consider it for certain time. If it is a daily candle, don't consider it for certain days till it crosses this box, something like that. Okay. Bullet, even this one is not a proper bullet. Okay, see this is not a proper bullet. What is
Hmm.
proper bullet is something which it should be like red should be big and green should be small in between. And that should not be too
Okay.
stretched like this. I will show you that bullet. I think it is formed in today's 15 minutes chart. I'm not sure, but I'll try to show that if it is there. Yeah, see here, size of the bullet you see.
Correct.
Okay, this is small, this is one, this is one. And there is a big wick. So there is and also this is a first hint. So it will go down. Then see, this is like already it is fallen this much. So you can't expect more, right? Here, even if bullet forms, you cannot consider that for shorting. That is last hour. So
Mm.
you can't consider
Okay.
this after, for any shorting, don't consider after 245, something like that. Because that is a risky bet.
Okay, okay.
And now, if you see this, these bullets are not clear. Compared to that bullets, these bullets are not clear, correct? This is odd bullet. This is also stretched, overstretched bullet. See, this one, this day you can consider for shorting because this is red, this is green, and this is red. But next day you should not consider for shorting because you should wait for some days. After certain days, it will be in sideways for a few days.
But
Okay?
that big candle can be green also, no? It's
Green also means?
I mean that big extended candle is there, no? So that also you're saying we can trade, right?
Yes, this you can trade. Because see here, green is formed, but this is smaller than this. And that is why
Oh,
the day you see 26th November, if you go on 26th November and your chart will tell you whether to trade or not after first 15 minutes. See, 15th November, how it fallen and that line it crossed. Okay. This
Okay,
confirms,
okay.
even this confirms that this will be in downtrend only. So at the end of this, if you do this, it will be like good one only. See, sometimes what happens, this red walls and everything will be in this range, correct? This range only. So this one eliminates that doubt.
Correct.
Correct. So, and after that, one candle I will write and this one will be okay, but it will take lot of time, especially when everything goes in one candle, right? It will take lot of time to move down again. See, so many minutes it wasted.
Correct.
See, even this bullet, this is also proper bullet. You forget about where it came, but this is also a proper bullet. If you feel that this is a good bullet I want to see, this is a proper bullet.
Okay, normally it should be in a same line,
Huh.
and the green should be in between, and
Yeah,
red
see,
can be in
since this is small also, but supported by wick and followed by a previous red candles, right? So this is okay. And this one. So, yeah. But once you see this, right, you don't wait. At least you exit here. Don't think that it will still go down or something like that. Don't wait. Exit here. Don't expect too much fall after this candle. This candle is not that great because it will be long waiting time will be there for such candles. See, anywhere it will be waiting time is there, but it will nicely fall. But you should have to wait till a lot of time. Okay, but see, today's thing, if you see 23rd, right? 12. That big wick confirms that yes, it is only a quick fall, so that will not matter, and also it is an upward movement. See, up it was moving and it fall, so this will be a downward. This confirms that trend, so you can enter here and exit here or here. Till here, are you clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So now next, this one is, I will say yes, met. Red candle with a big wick after a good move. This is the first example. Next is another things which we need to see. Identifying the strategy will not be depend on one thing, right? Strategies can be multiple. Okay. So first trend is red wick with red candle with big wick after a good move up. That is met by Chennai Petro. And that is what? After a good move up, red candle with big wick. That strategy we have discussed. Like how
So
to
it should be 15 minutes time frame, right?
correct in 15 minutes time frame. Whichever time frame you are following, even 5 minutes is fine. Yeah, I am not sure, but I will follow that, see, if you see this 5 minutes,
Can you please make a note like how I think initially you shown how we selected this. So that selection criteria also, if we can mention there.
yeah, selection criteria is there already in the recording, Sunil. You can watch through because this is recorded and I don't want to simply repeat the topic. Okay. You can
Okay.
go through the recording. That criteria I have already explained. Okay. This is
Oh,
falling and it crossed this box. This red green is smaller than this red and it is not touching that point. So means almost just touching or not touching. So today it will be a great fall. So that's how I decided. Okay, in simple words.
okay.
Okay, yeah. So this is met, correct? So I am ticking it. Red candle with big wick after good move. And after 15 minutes, you will decide after seeing the first candle, you decide identifying the right candle. That one you have identified, right? This is the strategy we are following, and that candle we have identified here. So I am putting this, yes. Then enter with proper quantity. That is one biggest challenge which we need to think. See, imagine you have taken only 10 quantity, okay, for shorting. Okay, 10 into 19 rupees if it falls also, 190 rupees only you will get, correct? Here, 90, even if you travel till here, 19 rupees, or here if you travel 27 rupees, here you will get 10 for 10 quantity, you will get 19. For 10 quantity, you will get 270, correct? So that will not serve your purpose of shorting. Get that? So how much
Right.
huh?
Yeah, correct.
So how much quantity you should take? Imagine if this sort of candles are falling 10 rupees, 15 rupees, how much it will make difference for you? At least 1500, 2000 or something like that. So you should take the quantity something like 100, 150 or 200. Got it? So that for every rupee, you will get 100 rupees. So if you take 100 and you write this, you will get 1900 rupees. Do you get this? Quantity, if you take 100, here you will get 1900 rupees. And here you will get 2700 rupees. That is how it is debt. Imagine if you have taken 100 quantity and 19 rupees still you have rided. So 1900 you will use your profit. If you have taken 200 and you have taken for 19 and 9 how much is this? 200 19 into uh, 38, 3800 rupees profit. Okay, this will be the thing. Imagine move, right? Quantity here, not that one. Delete. Now, if you have move is 27 rupees, then profit is 2700 here. Then I don't know. I'm not so. Then this is 27. 27 into 2, how much? 56, right? Or 54. Yeah. So 50,000, 5,400 will be your profit. You get that? That is why you should select based on your risk appetite. Means how much you can take it. Since you will be going candle by candles only, risk will be less, but this will be your profits. Is that clear? So people who are very confident, they may do it with 500 so that their one trade per day is sufficient for them. We'll do this star 5. 9,500 you will get. If at all you are taking 500 quantity. So this max you can do based on what you want, what is your risk appetite, that one you can do. Is this clear, sir?
Ma'am, very clear. Thank you.
Yeah. So now quantity also I am mentioning it as right. Now exit point, identify the happy path. Happy path I told you, right? This is happy path. This is hard path. Means tough, a little bit tough path. This is also discussed. And now exit at the right candle. Which is the right candle? Why we decided to exit there? Like, either it is taking time. I wanted to ride it till this one good candle. After this see, one or two hiccups will come. First hiccup is always safe. Second hiccup is okay. But don't wait after the third hiccup. That is, hiccup means it will hesitate to move up or down. It will be in sideways that time. Okay, this is first one. This is first one. This is second one. And this is third one. Correct? In that case, first one is always safe. You need not, most of the times it will, let me say 95% it will be safe. And when it is a bullet, it is double safe. And this one candles, this is also safe because it is never even comparing, these candles can never even be compared to these candles, correct? But this candle, I don't prefer to write. So I will exit here. But with little difficulty, you can write it till here. Okay? Till here. After this candle, at any cost, guys, please don't wait. Because this is the worst case scenario where that things may take any turn. That is where people, if shorting or intraday, will fail. So don't enter into that zone only. Don't enter into that gate only. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, this is also explained. Fake. Okay, this one let us keep it because this is a big topic. I will cover one by one. Only one candle we have, one strategy we have discussed. Correct? This one is discussed. Now, the two next we will go to. If this is clear, we will move to some other stock.
Yes, ma'am, very clear. We can move, ma'am.
Yep.
Yeah. So now, P focus. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So, irrespective of it is an upward trend or downward trend, if you see this daily chart, okay, in the group we got a message that it has cracked, it has smashed, something like that. Okay, correct?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
the main point is that indicators are something, they are machines, they can't understand. Why I don't believe in stop loss is because many times it will hit the stop loss and then again start moving in the direction which we want. Correct? And also, these alerts are all set that if it crosses this, you give an alert. If it crosses this, you give an alert. You go and cross-check that message in the group or something. When they gave that message, from that time, most of the time, it has started falling down because by the time it gave alert to everybody, it has trapped and people will enter and it will move down. Okay? So that's where you should wait for the pullback. Or you should see that whether you can play what? Shorting on that. Okay. This thing is little bit tricky, especially when the stock is in upward trend. You can try, means language is same, but candles, all these logics are same. But you will have internally fear if you are not experienced properly to do this sort of sorting. Okay. See now, this is what is the time? 11:15. Correct? It went up and up. Nicely it went up. Correct? Suddenly it fall down. And you see this red candle is very little bit bigger than this green candle. And these both are not small candles, very good candles. Correct? It is not like this size or something like this. Correct? They are proper candles. This one and this one. If you see that upper point is 235 and the lower point is 231. 4 rupees candle this is. I'm just comparing the size of the candle when it is belong to, and even if you see this, for the stock like 200 range, 250 range, 450, 4 rupees, 5 rupees sudden in one candle is a good move, right? See, imagine that you should think about price of the stock also. Okay, for 2000 rupees, 4 rupees stock may 4 rupees it crosses, it is nothing. But for a stock like 224 rupees, 4 rupees is a very good amount. Imagine for 40K, okay, divided by 225. You think you 100 and nearly 200, 175 stocks you can purchase for 40K. Got it? Without leverage, without leverage. If shorting always comes with leverage. That means still with 40K, you can purchase maybe 500 stocks. Got it? So now here is the confirmation and you can start it here only. This will be your entry points, and one good candle is enough. For me, I will not ride beyond this one or two candles. Why? Because it is in the uptrend. Correct? Either it will waste too much time or it will take a complete U-turn. That is not good. Just I am taking this example because today it came into radar. Correct? When somebody posted, and also if you see, if you think that it is not in an uptrend and if you have seen this candle, then you can ride it. See, first fake signal, no need to worry. This is, all these candles are engulfing and this is within this range. Correct? So you need not worry. And see, this is also a bullet, but it's not a proper bullet. It says that it will go down, but it will take time, especially when it is an upward move. And see, red, and this one you can exit. Don't wait after this because it is already 245. Correct? So your candle, your strategy will be till here. Then what will be the move? Like 6 rupees, correct? 6 or 6.5 rupees. 6 rupees only, you think. Fine. So that will be the thing you can consider for shorting. Fine. And quantity, everything again, same, this logic only applies. Whichever you feel like 6 rupees, because if you have purchased 200 stocks, 200 into 6, that is 1800 or 2000 profit. Okay. Especially when you see this red candle solid, bigger than this green candle, you can do shorting. And if you are scared, you can exit here only when you see the first green candle, especially when it is an uptrend. And do this, my suggestion is do this only if you get experience. See, this sort of Chennai Petro, anybody can ride. But this one, you may need little bit more confidence and little bit more experience. So I prefer in the beginning days, you don't try this. Okay. Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Glenmark. You see this? I will tell right, anything that is moving up, nothing is permanent. The stock market, ups and downs will be there. So you don't expect this great move in the in that routine. See, if you see this is a forming a cup pattern. Again, daily, this also can be considered. See, this is and all, like if you are experienced, right, you can play with any stock. But when you are beginner, you just check the scope. Okay. In the beginning days, you don't try without checking the scope. For me, since I am somewhat used to this thing, this is somewhat like a area which beginners should not miss. Even I am the beginner, but somewhat I am little bit confident now with this stocks. See, now it has 915 candle. Can you see this? If I found it here, I will enter here and ride one candle or two candles till I found at least one red or something like this. Means I can ride till here, but that is not come under shorting. So let us stick to shorting. When I will enter this stock. See, if you see this, forget about the scope, just how to take entry I am telling. After a good move up, if it is crossing this line and is closing below this, what is the closing? 2067, correct? This price. So, and what is the highest point? 2075. So, it is closed here. So, I will enter here, 2067, this place. Got it? So, when you enter here, no need to worry because it is fully going down, but it will come back It will not form a green candle because of this candle which has formed, and it has, because of this candle it is not it will not go, it will not be a green candle. That one you will know with like when the moment you keep seeing these candles, you will understand that this will not be a green candle and it will not move up further. Then this one, it shows that downward it is going to definitely hit it. And if this line, you will say that it will definitely going to touch this point. See, no need of worry till here. Can you see this? All are proper red candles. Why I entered here, why I didn't here? Because this is, there is chances that it may go up because it is already touching here. And since this point is solid downtrend, hammer if you see, and this one, you can think it is not a, it is not going to go up in near some term, some at least for 1 hour or something like that. When you see this, correct? If you are getting worried that something is wrong, when this solid ride, you exit or you wait for some certain green candle or doji or something. See, the moment you see this red, if you are like going to have this nice experience, then you wait till at least one doji will come or one small green will form. Here nothing is there, right? So no need to worry. Okay. Here, no need to worry. You can ride. Maybe some green, some small red candle might have formed, but see, it's your good that it has formed till here. So, but after seeing two solid red candles, never wait. Okay. This is the beginning, so it's not a problem. This is a entry, no, you don't think about it. But after seeing these two red candles, don't wait. Two solid red candle, two this size candles are one big red candle from here to here. Then don't wait because it will go into sideways. That is the logic which you need to remember. That is, that time you will not get scared. Okay. And by mistake, you think you have not exited here. And you see this and you will think that, hey, my profits are gone and all. But after this much downfall, this will be like some fake green candle. You exit here. Don't wait that it will move again like this. Okay. Because this jerk is enough to, feel that you have lost already some of the profits to the market. So exit here. Is that clear? See, even this is a downward bullet, but don't go for that because already the move is solid. Means which is, you just think how much move it is if you ride it till here. Okay. The move is 21 rupees, correct? And imagine if you have to exit here, 20 rupees. Okay. So 20 or 20 rupees, you can exit. That's all. Is this clear? I
Yes,
don't prefer this path, guys, because for me, one solid candle or two solid candles is enough. Because after that, it will play a small lot. See, even if you see this, I told you, right? One plus sign. At least one green same green or red candle will follow the trend. Correct? With this, you need not get scared. Got it? But still, to be on the safer side, you remember, guys, Selva or Sunil?
yes, ma'am, I remember.
Yeah. So this
Yeah,
plus sign, it says that
plus
at least
continuation.
one candle, it will go down. So you can still exit here, but that is again risky. Like I will not prefer because I don't know this candle. Even before this candle forms, I am exiting till here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now another. I think one day, see, this is like downtrend. 4 candles formed, but it is engulfing. So most of the times it may go down. So you add it to watch list once this comes, and 2-3 days if it is not going, just every day or whenever you are doing, just check that 15 minutes candle. If you see this 16th, it formed a big red, and 19th it formed a big red. So if you go to that 15 minutes candle on 16th and 19th, let us see both. Okay. 16th. See this? Can you see here? It has opened, gap down. Okay. And it has formed a candle, which is almost a good candle. Half of it or more than half of it, but it's never crossed it half. Okay. Half, you think. Yeah. Both of this have not crossed half of it. So the chances are it will go down. You understand why it is like we have to consider that?
Yeah.
So I
Because
think
it
that
is.
time only I have sent you some screenshot also in that. See this HCL Tech break gap down open entry confirmation. This is entry confirmation. That one that day I have sent this message on the group. Entry confirmation. I am not sure if you have guys have seen this, whether it is in the our group or another group. But entry confirmation I have sent, which is here. This
So,
is entry
so,
confirmation.
so because the stock, because the price didn't cross half of the red candle, there's a good chance it will go down, right, ma'am?
Correct. And also, if you want more confirmation, you wait till this bullet is formed. See, bullet means downward full. It should support with middle some green and downward trend. It should confirm. If you see this candle has crossed. Correct. All small candles only, but it is a downtrend only. See, after this red candle, one green candle, and after that small red, sudden this one. So this one is like downward trend is confirmed. Even the same thing I have mentioned here. See, because it is entry confirmation. That's what I said. Okay. So when you enter here, you can write it 1, 2. 2 red candles. You can exit, or you can exit at least here. For me, that's all done, because this is solid candle and it will go a lot of sideways. These 2 candles are good, and maximum this candle. That's all. Got it? This and all path you should not enter only. See, so much doubt here. And it may touch this point again. All this nuisance is not needed for us. Since this is the first jerk, means first hiccup, it is okay. You can write this. Or if you are still want to look, at least till you see the first green candle. Exit here. Max. Worst case. Don't wait. Exit here or here. Got it? But if you see this, there is no much difference between these two. Unnecessary, your time will waste. See? 1652, right? Here how much? 1650. For that 2 rupees, you need to keep on think when it will bounce, when it will this one and all. I don't like it. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
There will not be much move. After this thing, right? One solid move, it will be there. After first hiccup, there will be one solid, one hiccup. First hiccup is always okay. But don't wait for the second hiccup or something. When based on the candles, you have to change your style of trading. Then, see again, this one GMDC. I think this also I have sent it. See? Can you see this? That time only I have mentioned. Big red candle with nice wick. That one only I was telling. Big red candle with nice wick. This is confirmed. Once you enter here, then red candle in first thing, you can exit. By that time only that move is like, of course, first move is always safe. By that time, you got 9 rupees or 9 rupees benefit, correct? Next, this is the second one. See, it is taking so much till red move, right? This is 16 rupees. Means one proper red. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, the same pattern, which Chennai pattern, which we have taken, this one. Then, if you see this GRSE, which one? I think we have gone it. I don't know which one, which day. Let us go for this. Yeah, maybe this candle. See, when you have to trade means, see this one fake and everything is engulfing. This one, it confirms that tomorrow it will be a nice trend. See this one, this box, solid, solid. See, point here is this is one solid candle and this is one solid candle and it's almost like a downward movement is confirmed here. Can you see this? So that sort of day you should go and do. This day or this day. But this is more confirmed. See, 2nd December. 2nd December, if you see it in 2nd December, go to, see, again the same pattern it will confirm. Big wick, big red candle with good wick, and see how first bullet. Next, see, till here you don't have, and this is all engulfing. See, first thing, mostly it will come like a one bullet or small green engulfed, and second it will come like this one, which will waste your time pass for 45 minutes. Then one solid green, red. See, till now, what are 2-3 things I have shown, everything is like this only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, till here at least you can do. That means, imagine this is, your entry is, here you think, or the worst case you can think it here, okay? And then you can think this one, because I want to write it only till here. I don't want risk. Because that time is 1 o'clock. And here when we started, 10 o'clock, 2 hours. For 2 hours, how much it moved down? 92 rupees. That is sufficient, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you have taken 9,200 rupees, it will be. Okay? Yeah. Why with GRSE, I will not wait till this place is, GRSE is very, nature of the stock is, see, this is 9, not 9 rupees, this is 90 rupees. Got it? It's very volatile stock. So, when it comes the candle, it is like Samalja. See, even if I stop here without wasting time, I don't want to go for this also. It is 92 rupees. Same point you will end up. You got it? After wasting this much time also, you will end up at the same point, 92 rupees. That is where I will say with without this one, you will, 1 minute. Where is that? 1 minute, I am getting a call. Like,
So you
yeah.
will, so you
Yes,
will
yes.
exit at the first green, ma'am.
Correct, correct. Not even green. Yes, first green. This one only I will exit. Okay.
You will wait for the candle to complete, obviously, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
it will not go beyond this because I know that after this much downfall, it will not be a proper green candle.
So it will not suddenly, it won't form a big green candle, right,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, it will never form. After this certain things, you can search it like left, right. I done that already. So it will not form a very big red candle.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So, yeah, I have done some research on this. So it was like that. Yeah, fine. So, anything, Sarda crop, 1 minute, like this
So,
one.
if the trend is reversing, we still see a small bullish candle at which point we can exit, right, ma'am?
Correct. See, whenever the trend is reversing, okay, whichever may be the time frame, it will give see, this has come this much, right? When how much it hints it gave you? Like this one, cup pattern, the move it gave like this, correct? Here it will give you hints that it will not suddenly, after this, it will not form this candle, definitely, or this candle. So it will give you hints to like hold on. I may be moving, changing my direction like that. Any trend, even this one downwards, it gave you a hint, like correct. So even the sideways, right, it will be like a different thing. Yeah, this is about sorting. If you see, it is clear, right? So this sorting trend is like two consecutive red candles or one downward bullet. Fine. These things, it will confirm that trend is matching. Even in the beginning, it can form a downward bullet, proper bullet like this. If you see this. So it will show you that trend is going to change. Downward bullet. Maybe I didn't get that proper example for that downward bullet. But yeah, always these candles will be like this only. Most of the times, like 95% of the times, the candles will be like this. Fine. So any doubts in this shorting?
So 90% of the times, but once it gets out of the box, it will only go down, you're saying, ma'am?
Correct. And also you will come to know, see, this is clear. Here only it hinted that it will go down. Correct?
So if someone is holding the stock, they can wait for the 84.40 as a stop loss. I mean, if it breaks below that, they can exit, or it might form a double bottom and might go up, right?
What is that? I didn't get you. 1 minute. I'll switch on the light. Yes, tell me what you are
Yes.
saying.
Yeah. If someone is holding that stock,
Mm.
they can have the stop loss as 84.4. If it reverses, if it closes below that, they can consider an exit. Or
What
if
is
it
this 84.4? I didn't get you.
844.4, ma'am, that is the support line.
Okay. No. See, that one is something which I am drawing the line. Okay.
Hmm.
Means if it can rebound from here or something like that. But why somebody will stay in this stock only if they might have exited by here only, right? 1025. Why they will
Ah,
wait till now?
correct, ma'am. Yes.
So I don't believe, like I told, right? I am like, when I am discussing about shorting, I can't think of long term. This is something which mindset will have to decide. Okay.
Got it, ma'am. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. So correct, right? If there is no doubt and if these examples are clear and see, one big candle downwards, one fake green candle, red candles becoming smaller. That one also it was there, right, in our examples, whichever we discussed. red candles were becoming smaller.
So that is our exit criteria, right, ma'am?
Correct, correct. See, red candles were becoming smaller. Correct? Here.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is also one exit criteria that it may red candles will become smaller is also one criteria. And after that red candles will become smaller, you have to find that your exit time is nearing. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So I will just stop
Sir, I'm contracted.
1 minute. You are telling something. So here we are stopping the recording for shorting. Okay. Very soon I will be updating this. Thank you.